Someday Jesus will come back to earth. Someday, in all his glory, that day he will call out for his friends, those who believe in his story. That day, how will it find you, my friend? In sadness or in joy? Yes, the day will come when we'll see him, when the world will end at last, when the Lord will come in his glory, when the Lord will come in his wrath. He will come back as he promised, and his promises are true. But now he's waiting in his patience, just to see what we will do. For he has laid down his life, mocked and rejected of men, praise in the light, and he's coming back again. We were all at one time sinners. We were all rebellious children, but Jesus died for all of us sinners, that we might give our lives to him. There is no one else who loves us. There is no one else who cares, but the precious blood of Jesus shows the love for us he bears. Why don't you lay down your life? Why don't you give up the fight? Why don't you lay down your life? Surrender to Jesus Christ. was searching down the road to truth, looking for the break of day, when suddenly before me stood a man. He was standing in my way. He said, I have been given all authority. I have the keys to hell and death. I am the way and the only door. I am the one who paid your debt. Why don't you lay down your life? Why don't you give up the fight? Why don't you lay down your life? Surrender to Jesus Christ. Why don't you lay down your life? Why don't you give up the fight? Why don't you lay down your life? Surrender to Jesus Christ.